guys and good morning. Today is February 16, it's 11:49. What I'm going to do today is I'll be working out. I'll be doing Pilates by Lizzie 25-day challenge season. Ito yung inuna ko since wala lang, palavar na ko. So gusto ko lang ng something challenging. Disclaimer lang guys, kapag nag-workout ako, I usually wear pambahay ko lang. Let's just be real here guys. Dito ako manonood ng workout for today. Tapos I also have weights here. Dalawa to guys. Gagamitin ko yan kasi this is a full body workout. So baka lavar tayo. Anyway, let's work out.
I'm looking for my ride or die. Somebody who likes danger. Somebody who will steal my nights. Love so bad, call it criminal. Got me good, not myself at all. I don't mind if this means doing time. Be my bunny, baby. I can be
Guys, can you see my sweat? Look, sobrang sweaty ko.
your if you want me. Be my.
Alright, when you're ready, slowly push yourself up into a 4-point position, back into your downward dog. Pedaling out side to side, finishing class the same way we started, extension. Start to inhale through the nose as you wave your arms up, opening through the chest, lengthening through the crown of your head, through your spine, gathering all of the good energy.
It's time to take a bath. After that, kakain na tayo. Bye! I'll see you on my next vlog.
Bunny, baby.